Hey, I was just out driving around, getting into some dollar store stuff, and I noticed this yard sitting over here. Check this thing out, like an old Pontiac Ventura or something. It's a Pontiac, not a Chevy Nova. Yeah, there's a mechanic shop in the back. Yeah, it's a Pontiac. Chevys. And they had some older cars back here. There was a couple Corvairs up front. This looks like some old. Don't get to see many boneyards anymore. Like, check this out, man. When's the last time you guys seen one of these? Oh yeah, old Generous Motors. Yeah, when's the last time you seen one of these? Some older cars, some imports, kind of a little mix of this and that. I mean, it's a repair shop, either Camaro or Firebird. Mickey Thompson Performance, check that out. Check that out. Yeah, just a neat little place in town. We're just wife took a different way to the dollar store, and I kind of noticed this stuff. Remember steel bumpers? Look at that, a real steel bumper on a car. Looks like a Packard. Some old 50 stuff. Corvairs. I didn't know Corvair made a station wagon, believe it or not. My dad had one. Everybody else had SS Chevelles. My dad had to have a Corvair, but that's what caught my attention was the station wagon. So, hey, man, right inside of town here, a little boneyard treasure. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe.